Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike, and today we're going to build a cardboard wall. Just decided that I ran out of material, so I needed to put something there, so I thought I'd spend an hour cutting out this cardboard, We're going to go stain this piece of cardboard and we're going to install it. Just kidding. We're going to take this piece of cardboard and we're going to go find a 1/2-inch piece of plywood. We're going to cut it out. We're going to sand it up. We're going to install it. I thought I would put this plywood here so that I could have something to put some spices in, maybe a picture or two. And then on the other side, I'll have a coat rack where I can hang my winter jacket, my rain jacket, maybe a couple sweaters or something that I'm using on a daily basis, like this sweater. It's nice and warm, but it's a thick sweater, so hanging it or folding it up and putting it in the cabinet takes a lot of space where I could, have a bunch of shirts and stuff. So we're going to take this out and cut it up. I think I did a pretty good job. We're going to go put it on a piece of plywood. Cut it out, sand it up, stain it, put it in.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of just
Well, it's a little cold outside, so I brought it inside the van where it's a little bit warmer. I'm going to leave it overnight, and we'll pick it up in the morning, and we'll install it. Catch you in the morning. And I'm back. And it's a new day, and we've got our board all finished up. We're going to slide her in place. She looks beautiful. She came out nice and pretty. There's a few mistakes I made, but it's all right. There's a few scratches in it because you can tell that I took the belt sander to it, which I probably won't do again without a lot of excessive sanding to get those steep scratches out. So belt sander, bad idea, but you won't see it, so it's okay. Just gotta slide her in place. This spot right here doesn't touch. This spot does. This spot can go up a little bit. So I just gotta close that gap, which is gonna be difficult. Actually, no, it shouldn't be too bad. Did it. That's it there. Nice. Looks good. I'm happy. All right, let's put some screws in there. Get her Ford mounted up. So all I have to do is run a strip of plywood across here, and that is done. And then what I'll do is I'll take my Starlink, build a little bracket that holds it here, and then a strap that goes across here, and then this, I might build a bracket that sits so that it keeps it here. I think that'll be fine. Won't bother the seat any. We'll see. But that's gonna be my Starlink home. I'll store the cable somewhere else, and the router can stay up in the electronics bay, connected. That way I'm not having any cables running through the doors. And if I want to plug my Starlink, I can just go outside and plug it in. And I have an extra cable as well, just like Chrome on Vanity Van Life. I thought it was a great idea. And then just have an extra cable laying around if you've got to put Starlink, you know, 60 feet away from the van, and you can still have internet. So I haven't figured that out. That might be an expensive thing I might do later on because I can't afford it right now. But those are just thoughts I have. I do have the access panel on the roof and place in the junction box where I can mount more cables, more whatever up on the roof, including like a Wii Boost, thing like that. Now yesterday, I didn't record a lot of it, but I did get my LED lights mounted up, as you can see in this video. I've also got my gas detector mounted. I did a little test. I purged the propane tank right beside it, and it went off, and I know what that alarm smells like. It stinks for sure, but I know what that alarm sounds like now that I've heard it go off. So if I hear that alarm, I'll know why. I also secured the batteries to the van, so if I'm hitting any bumps or off-roads, the batteries won't be bouncing all over the place and making sparks and all that stuff, fun stuff. So I don't think I'll be taking this van, you know, taking it off any jumps or anything. So I think those batteries will be secure enough. Just the weight alone keeps them in place. They're like 70 pounds each, and there's 6 of them, and that's like just over 400 pounds just in batteries. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. I think the batteries weigh more than everything else in my van right now. That's all right, because once we put water in here, some food in here, some propane in here, some clothes, we're gonna take off and go camping. Even though it's getting pretty chilly, and it's like, what, -5 here at night? It's like 20 Fahrenheit or something like that. Anyways, I'll probably get some stuff tied up into the pantry because I would like to get the faceplate on the pantry done up and ready to go. So I've got a bunch of boards to cut out to support the weight of the bed. Just a few minor things I've got to take care of. Once I figure that all out, we'll get on to the next step. We'll get a next project going here in the van. So if you guys liked what you've seen, please like, comment, subscribe. Remember to hit the bell notification icon if you want notifications when I do upload, because it seems like I'm uploading almost every day or every second day, because I've got a lot of projects on the go that I'd like to share with you guys and bring you guys along with me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, guys. See you later.